Hello guys, today we're going to be making a video on Pete the Cat, Secret Agent. Can you spot Secret Agent Meow? He's the coolest spy in town. No one knows that Agent Meow's true identity is Pete the Cat, not even Bob. Agent Meow is an expert at solving cases. Last year, he caught the Ruby Robber, my favorite necklace. 2 weeks ago, he found the missing key to town. You've saved the town again. Agent Meow works in a top secret location. The only way to unlock the door is with his paw print. Inside, he has a lot of very groovy gadgets. Agent Meow's underground headquarters. Experimental rocket, Meowmobile, hidden elevator, snack room, laboratory and spy gadgets, skateboard practice room, hidden elevator, escape hatch. The Meowmobile can take Agent Meow anywhere at lightning speed. It can turn into a car, a helicopter, and even a skateboard. Agent Meow also has a super cool spy watch camera. It looks like an ordinary watch, but with one click, it's anything but ordinary. Press here, before, after. He just created his own flying listening device so he can hear everything, even when he's not near. He calls it his secret catcher. Sometimes when Agent Meow is on a mission, he wears a disguise. Once Agent Meow coated himself in paint to blend into a painting. Another time, he pretended to be a tree. A bird family built a nest on his head. He's a cat undercover. Never mind. 1 second. The brightness went down. One morning, Agent Meow was flying his secret catcher when he hears a surprising message. Agent Meow can't tell who is talking because there is too much static, but he hears. Super secret rendezvous. 7 p.m. tonight. You know where to meet. Agent Meow is very intrigued. He needs to fine-tune his secret catcher so he can hear better next time. He heads to the hardware store. He takes a shortcut through the park. The time is of the essence when you're a spy.